Hello, today we are making sodium hydroxide. So, sodium hydroxide is one of the most useful things in chemistry, used in many experiments. So, first you'll need 200 milliliters of water, which I'll pour into a big beaker, since we need another one later. Then I take sodium hydroxide, 0.5 grams of it, and put it in here. And then I put 0.5 grams of calcium hydroxide and I put it there. So the two chemicals will now react and they will form sodium hydroxide solution and another chemical called calcium carbonate. So first I need to mix it. So then I get a homogeneous solution of both chemicals and they will react faster and with more efficiency. Okay. So they're reacting, and the calcium carbonate is not soluble in water, so it will drop out of solution about after 45 minutes. The sodium hydroxide is soluble, so it will dissolve into the water, and it'll be inside of the water. So now we wait 45 minutes for the calcium hydroxide to settle down. I'm gonna wait for more, so I'm sure that everything goes down, and then we can filter it. Okay, it has been 45 minutes, and like I said before, all of the powder settled out, and it formed a little layer on the bottom, and then the sodium hydroxide is on top, and I think it looks really cool, and it looks very soft. So now, there you go. It's white on the bottom, and then there's a clear liquid at the top. So the next step is filtering. So here I folded up some filter paper and I'll put it in a funnel into another beaker which we used before that I set to save. So I'll slowly pour it since it isn't big enough, and it's going to filter all the powder out of the water, out of the sodium hydroxide, and all the sodium hydroxide will end up here, and then the calcium carbonate will be here. So I need to do this a couple of times over the course of maybe another 30 minutes, and then it'll be done and I'll come back. Alright, see you in 45 minutes. Bye. So, I filtered the rest of the solution, and then I let what was left in the filter paper to dry, and this is what I got: a little bit of calcium carbonate, and it's very fine powder, very white. I also got sodium hydroxide, which is a little bit cloudy because it's not 100% clean, but it's mostly sodium hydroxide. So to test that it's sodium hydroxide, first I'll get some pH paper from right here. Okay, there we go. I'll get one. And okay, so I'll put the pH paper in there. So if it becomes a dark color, it means that it's very high pH, which means that it's very pure sodium hydroxide. So it's purple, which means it's 13 or 12, which is very high, higher than water, which is 7. So this is probably mostly sodium hydroxide, which is what we wanted. So that's good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.